Okay, so you could use 3 of these, right? Let me see. I think Blue Letter Bible, the one on the left, that's the easiest one, maybe, depending on how you think. But let's see. Okay, Blue Letter Bible. So this is the regular Bible, right? You could search scriptures at the top. You can move on the arrows on the right. You can move to different chapters. Now, let's just say, and it tells me up here, I'm in KJV. So let's go to Exodus 13, and it say KJV at the top. I know you could change the version, but anyway. All right, so let's just say I want to look up. You see verse 2 says sanctify. So I click on the verse, and automatically all this stuff comes up. I'm going to the very top one underneath the word study. It says interlinear concordance. So now this shows you the text in Hebrew. So you can tell what text you want. At the top it says Exodus 13:2. Then it says the Hebrew text. Then it shows you the Hebrew interlinear, which is it's going to break down the words. So it's showing the KJV. Now, one thing to note with this concordance, I don't know if it's all of them, but if you're using like an NLT or Amplified Bible, when you go to the concordance, it's going to use KJV. I don't know if they have different options for concordances. I don't know. These buttons up here that say forward, reverse, forward, and I don't know what that is. I don't use it. Oh, look, it say on the right, it says Septuagint. I didn't see that before. Okay. So you see the word sanctify in English on the right side. I can press the microphone.
Strong's H6942. Kadesh. Kadesh.
So
Second entry. Kadesh. Kadesh.
So it's pronouncing it. So you would think with this, to find out what sanctify means in Hebrew, in the concordance, you would click on the word sanctify under the word English. No, you're going to stay on the left and click on inflicted, root, and transliterated. So you're going to click on that part. Okay, so I click there, and now it's showing me Kadash. And then it tells you the root etymology. I don't know what this is. I forgot. And it tells you biblical usage, all the definitions. Keep going. And then, I hope this is making sense. It shows you how it's used in other ways, like I guess synonyms and stuff. And it tells you for each one how many times. So sanctified is used 108 times in the Bible. Then you have Strong's definitions. And then you have Brown. I like this because it breaks down different type of concordances or lexicon. This right here is like my favorite, this section. Tap to view the whole thing. I view the whole thing. I like this because it reminds me of old dictionaries when I was a little kid. It just feels nostalgic. To go back, you see there's an arrow on the top right. I'm not going to click that arrow. I'm going to click the one that's not the one on the far right, but then the next one in the middle. It looks like a playback button. It's headed back. I don't know if you can see that on here.